This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, about a year and a half, 2 years ago, Citadel was talking about they wanted to become a market maker for the crypto industry. And when they said that, I did a video and I said that allowing the market makers into the crypto industry is just going to be bad for retail investors, for pension funds, and for institutions that follow the rules. Because just like they use their market maker rules and regulations to rob and steal from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules in the stock market, I said they would do the exact same thing if they became market makers in the crypto market. And now, look what happened here. Okay? Binance they allowed these market makers to sell move tokens. Okay? They allowed them to sell move tokens. And what did the market makers do? The same thing they do in the stock market. They did what was best for them, what made them the most profit. They dumped all the move tokens on the market. They made $38 million in fees, and they rug pulled the retail investors, the pension funds, the institutions that follow the rules. Are any of you guys surprised by that? I'm not, because I know how they operate. I've been watching them for the last 5 years. If we can't trust them in the stock market, why would we trust them with the crypto market? It makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. Market makers can't be trusted. And here's the crazy part. Binance refuses to identify the market maker. So we don't know who this is. We don't know who this person is who flooded the market with move tokens, rug pull retail investors so they can make $38 million in profit. It's absolutely crazy, but this is just the tip of the iceberg and further evidence to let us know that market makers cannot be involved in the crypto market. If market makers get involved in the crypto market the way they're involved in the stock market, retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules are going to be abused, just like we're abused in the stock market. And the fact that Binance don't want to identify the market maker is absolutely crazy to me. Okay? Maybe they fear a lawsuit. But the thing is, they froze the $38 million. They're not giving it to the market maker. And they allegedly are supposed to give it back to the people who were rug pulled, the people who bought Move and was rug pulled by the market maker. But do you think $38 million is enough to make all those people whole? Of course it's not. It is not enough money to pay them back for their losses from what the market makers did. Bottom line is this. We can't trust market makers in the stock market, and we definitely can't trust them in the crypto market. And anybody that gives them power over the crypto market is conspiring to rob and steal from retail investors, from pension funds, and from institutions that follow the rules. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that market makers could be trusted in the crypto industry? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.